A solid hunting rifle is more than just a tool for sport. It is a non-negotiable part of any serious preparedness plan. It's the one tool that can put food on the table and protect your property when things go south. Of course, you can choose from hundreds of different rifles on the market. But if you're looking for some no-nonsense recommendations on the platforms that have proven themselves in the field, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 5 of my top choices for a hunting rifle that you should seriously consider for 2025. Let's get started. Number 5. The Remington 700. Kicking off our list is a true American legend. The Remington Model 700 has been a staple of the hunting world for decades, and there is a damn good reason why it remains one of the most popular bolt-action rifles ever made. It is built to last, it is built to shoot straight, and it is built to give you absolute confidence in the field. The heart of the Model 700 is its iconic action, one of the strongest and most reliable bolt actions ever designed. The receiver is machined from a solid billet of steel, giving it a level of durability that is second to none. This cylindrical 3 rings of steel design also ensures a consistent and rigid lockup, which translates directly to better accuracy. The bolt itself features dual opposed locking lugs and a 90-degree throw, which provides plenty of clearance for a large scope. Cycling that action is smooth as glass. But the real reason the 700 has a reputation as a tack driver is its barrel. Remington's hammer-forged barrels are known for their precision and consistency. Many shooters, myself included, have experienced sub-minute of angle groups with quality factory ammunition right out of the box. The modern versions also come equipped with the excellent X-Mark Pro trigger, which is externally adjustable and breaks like glass. And finally, the versatility of the Model 700 is unmatched. It has been chambered in just about every popular hunting and long-range caliber imaginable, from .243 Winchester all the way up to .300 Winchester mag. No matter what game you are after, there is a Model 700 that is perfect for the job. Number 4. The Marlin 336. At number 4, we have a rifle that has been a fixture in deer camps and backwoods cabins for generations, the Marlin 336. If you have ever hunted in thick brush or rugged close-quarters terrain, you know you need a rifle that is quick to the shoulder, fast to cycle, and tough enough to take a beating. That is where the 336 shines. It is not a flashy, over-engineered rifle. It is a purpose-built tool for putting meat on the table. The first thing that stands out about the 336 is its solid, forged steel receiver. It has a flat top that comes drilled and tapped from the factory, making it incredibly easy to mount a scope. The rifle also balances perfectly, which makes a huge difference when you're trying to get on target quickly in dense cover. The smooth lever action, which Marlin has been perfecting for decades, glides without any hitches, allowing for lightning-fast follow-up shots. And one of its biggest selling points is the legendary 30-30 Winchester chambering. This cartridge has been a proven game-getter for more than a century. It has the perfect balance of power and manageable recoil for taking down deer, hogs, and even black bear at reasonable distances. The micro-groove rifling that Marlin uses in its barrels also helps to improve accuracy and reduce fouling, a difference you can actually see on paper at 100 yards. The Marlin 336 is the undisputed king of the deep woods. Number 3. The Weatherby Vanguard Obsidian. The Weatherby Vanguard Obsidian is one of those rifles that just feels right the moment you pick it up. It is built to handle whatever the wilderness can throw at it, while still delivering the kind of long-range precision that Weatherby is famous for. What immediately catches your eye is the Monte Carlo composite stock. It's not just for looks. This thing is built to take a beating, and the raised cheek piece provides a perfect, consistent cheek weld every single time. The barrel is a cold hammer-forged piece of steel with a matte blue finish that cuts down on glare and resists rust. But the real magic of the Vanguard is Weatherby's sub-MOA accuracy guarantee. They factory test every rifle to ensure it can shoot a 3-shot group under 1 inch at 100 yards, and they are not kidding. I have put this rifle through its paces, and it consistently delivers tight cloverleaf groups with quality factory ammunition. One of my favorite features is the adjustable 2-stage trigger. It takes up the slack in the first stage and then breaks like a glass rod. That kind of crisp, predictable trigger makes a huge difference when you're trying to make a clean, ethical shot under pressure. The Vanguard action is also smooth as silk, with a fluted one-piece bolt and an oversized bolt knob that is easy to work, even with gloves on. From the hinged floor plate magazine to the variety of hard-hitting caliber options, the Weatherby Vanguard Obsidian is a high-performance rifle that delivers a level of accuracy and quality that is well above its price point. Number 2. The Browning X-Bolt 2 Western Hunter LR. At number 2, we have a rifle that was built from the ground up for the serious backcountry hunter, the Browning X-Bolt 2 Western Hunter LR. This rifle was designed for those who are not afraid to take long-range shots in rugged, unforgiving terrain. The core of this rifle is its fluted, heavy sporter contour barrel, which is topped with a removable muzzle brake. That brake significantly reduces felt recoil, which helps you stay on target and spot your own impacts. The barrel is also threaded, so you can easily add a suppressor. The barrel is free-floated and hand-chambered to squeeze every last bit of precision out of it. I have seen these rifles stack rounds on top of each other at 100 yards. The composite stock is another standout feature. It's incredibly lightweight, but tough as nails, and it features an adjustable comb so you can get a perfect cheek weld with any optic. Speaking of optics, the X-Bolt 2 features Browning's X-Lock scope mounting system, which uses 4 screws per base instead of the standard 2. This locks your scope down tight and ensures it will hold at 0, even after a rough ride on a four-wheeler or a long trek through the mountains. The 60-degree bolt throw is another brilliant feature. It allows you to cycle the action incredibly fast without your hand ever hitting the ocular bell of your scope. The adjustable feather trigger is crisp and clean, with 0 creep, which is essential for making those difficult long-range shots. The Browning X-Bolt 2 Western Hunter is the mountain hunter's dream. Number 1. The Seekins Precision Havoc PH3. And claiming the top spot on our list is a rifle that is not just a tool, but an entire system. The Seekins Precision Havoc PH3 is the apex predator of the modern precision hunting rifle world. From its modular action to its hand-bedded carbon composite stock, this rifle is all about uncompromising quality and performance. The standout feature is the PH3 action itself. It is precision machined, rugged, and completely interchangeable with Seekins chassis and stocks. The 3-lug bolt is toolless and removable, which makes maintenance and caliber changes a breeze. And that brings us to the Seekins Quick Change Barrel System. This allows you to swap out barrels and calibers in the field, with no special tools required. The barrel itself is a true, match-grade, 416R stainless steel work of art, and every single one is capable of sub-minute of angle accuracy. The rifle also features an integrated 20 MOA Picatinny rail for your optic, and a full-length M-lock rail integrated into the carbon composite chassis. The trigger is a TriggerTech adjustable model, which is one of the best factory triggers in the world. It breaks like a glass rod with 0 creep. The extended cartridge overall length capability also allows you to hand-load longer, heavier, and more aerodynamic projectiles without worrying about feeding issues. The Seekins Precision Havoc PH3 is not just a rifle. It is a complete, modular, and devastatingly accurate system for the hunter who demands the absolute best. And there you have it, 5 of the best hunting rifles on the market today. From the classic deep woods dependability of the Marlin 336 to the cutting-edge modular design of the Seekins Havoc, there is a rifle on this list that will meet the needs of any serious hunter or prepper. Now it's your turn. What is your go-to hunting rifle, and which rifle on this list do you think has truly earned its spot? Let me know down in the comments. And if you found this breakdown valuable, do me a favor and hit that like button, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss another upload. Until next time, stay safe and hunt hard.